Hi Aquarius, this is your next 7 days reading starting from the 9th of April to the 15th of April. I'm going to look at your energies for the sun sign, moon sign, rising sign of Aquarius so that we know exactly what is coming to the collective of Aquarius. So let's start your reading from the first card, that is your influence card. What is influencing you in this time period, or what will? The card is Six of Wands. So this is a card of success. This is a card of a success that is coming in very, very soon. So you will be riding on the horse. You will be in a leadership position. You will be getting attention, accolade, social media, victory, or victory in an organization. Some kind of victory is coming to you in this week. And what's happening is you were in some situation of evaluation. You were in some situation of seeing what's going to happen, so waiting for something to arrive or waiting for something to appear in front of you. So you were in Seven of Wands like a warrior. You were fighting off challenges, whether in your personal life or professional life. With the Seven of Pentacles, you were looking for the amount of accumulation you have done, the amount of experience, amount of work that you have done, and you were evaluating your financial or career circumstances. With the Seven of Cups, with this is a 777 energy coming to you. You could be seeing 777 in this time period as well. Many of you who are watching this could be number 7. So this Seven of Cups is coming to you. This is an opportunity of options. So things are opening up for you in this time period, and the energy of worry, tension, anxiety that was happening with this waiting or evaluation is now over, because in this week the tensions will be over. So something from like something was silent, something was not giving you the answers. That situation is going to be sacrificed. That situation is over. So in terms of love situation, you could be letting go of a period of stalemate in your life. So it could be a long term or a short stalemate period which is going to get over. New opportunity or communication of something promising is coming in front of you. This is all happening because of your hard work, because of your long term accumulation and support from your department, from your family, from your own, energies. You are getting into a stable period because you have worked very hard for a certain thing, and your commitment towards your partners, towards your goals, towards your ambition is going to bring in great result with the Hierophant and the two of with the Lovers card. So Lovers card is harmony, and Hierophant is all about taking the higher path in life, taking the knowledge, education, advice, taking all whatever is worldly available to you in terms of information. You are taking all along. You are going to be dedicated, or there is going to be an award reward for dedication in this time period to you. So you have to, some of you have to also make a choice. A choice can be given to you in this time period regarding your job or regarding a situation in your personal life. You could be going for long term commitment with the person you have always been with. So your focus will go there in this time period towards community, tradition, towards sincerity, diligence, and long term situations in life. You can take a risk regarding that as well. So usually the risk is for the new, but this is the risk for a traditional situation in this time period. So the wish fulfillment will arrive wish fulfillment will arrive from the past. So what happened in the past, what was done in the past is going to come to you in a certain way back to you. Your soulmate energies will be very good. A wish fulfillment of some kind which you experienced in the past is coming to you. With the Ace of Cups, you will see improvements in your all parts of your life, whether it is your health, whether it is your life situation, whether it is your love situation or your job situation. A new opportunity and feelings of self-worth is coming back to you with the Sun card. The improvement is happening this week, and a very burdensome period is getting over. In this time period, a journey has been accomplished, a difficult journey it was. So basically, a new situation of recognition, new situation of fulfillment, happiness, joy, success. Some of you could be receiving news of your children doing well, your family doing well, your community doing well. So what is coming unexpectedly for you, Aquarius, is the Judgment. So Judgment is a favorable decision coming to you which is going to favor you. So this could be a favorable promotion, this could be a favorable interview, getting the best results in a new job, this could be favorable decision in love or a close relationship. Something is elevating you, something is becoming evident to you, and it is all because of you yourself picking yourself up from mediocrity, from lower energies, and finally deciding to face maybe some fears, face maybe your difficult energies which were keeping you down in the past. So with the occupation card, a work related situation is effective in this time period. Sudden wealth, sudden situation of great dividends coming to you, a gift, benefit, or a blessing is coming to you. You have worked very hard for something. You could be working very hard, not getting paid the returns might not be coming to you. Some of you are doing great work for community as well. Distant horizon is telling me long seen dreams can come true in this time period. Many of you could be in foreign environment, many of you could be getting a dream of permanent residency in some country, or a permit or a visa or a travel is happening for you in this time period. So with the Chariot and the World, this is your outcome. So Chariot and the World is like, Chariot is about ambition. Chariot is about you have been dreaming about an ambition that you wanted to fulfill. You have been trying very hard. Your journey has been fraught with difficulties, but with the World card, the accomplishment, the elevation, the change of the situation is taking place. Your focused determination will finally win you a situation that will be accomplished, and you are going to get a fulfillment in this week, Aquarius. So get out of fear with the Eight of Swords. Get out of self-limiting or doubtful energies. Do not attract anything negative. Four of Swords is telling me just wait for 4 more days, or wait proactively for a situation to arrive in your lap. Time will do the necessary, cosmic energies will do the necessary trick for you to fulfill your ambition. So it is going to come to you sooner or later, because you have worked very hard for a situation. So the card of abundance that has come for you is pay yourself first. So in anything, whether you are eating, whether you are earning money, whether you are doing something special for others, always make yourself the most important financial obligation by setting aside a portion of your income or your food every time you get something or you are paid. The loving form of self care ensures that you will have enough savings or you can invest in your present for your future. So, that is what angels are telling you to do. Take the energies of the great accumulation, the energies of great hard work, and put it in your pocket. That is what angels are saying. Do not just keep. Some of you could be on a higher path doing lot of charity, but in this time period angels are asking you to focus on improving yourself, your bank account, your money, your own money, because you will require it for the future. That is what angels are saying. An unexpected dream is coming true in this time period. Pay attention to that, but do not get scared or do not be fearful of not getting up to your expectation. Whatever is good for you is coming to you, whatever is ordained for you is coming to you, and the judgments will be in your favor. So if you have liked this reading, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who are going through difficulty can always contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked, and pre-slotted, so decide and then contact me through the email ID in the description box. Keep watching Tarot Priestess 1313. This is a channel which provides monthly and weekly readings of and prediction for every sign, and it also gives some guidance. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.